Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm going to show you a really cute scarf with this really nice and colorful wool. I showed you this wool already in my last haul video, so maybe you saw it already. And yeah, in a short video also. And so yeah, just really nice bright colors, and I'm going to show you the wool again in a little bit. This is a really simple pattern here out of half double crochets. And we make kind of this ridge here. Obviously, I'm going to show you now how this works. Alright, so here is the Bravo Big Color wool. Really nice and big ball of yarn. You can here kind of see what it might look like when it's crocheted. It's 200 grams and 120 meters length. This is meant for size 10 crocheting hooks, and that's exactly what I'm going to use here today. The color number is the 128, and then let's see the composition, 100% polyacrylic. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take, hopefully, the start from the inside. This is the beginning thread. It's really nice and colorful. It's like three thinner threads that are kind of twisted around each other to make up this bigger thread. And yeah, it's just really cute colors here. And I'm going to start here with a really long chain stitches. That's going to have the length of the whole scarf actually, so about 150 centimeters. And so I'm just going to start these chain stitches here with my size 10 crocheting hook. It's really nice, it's really easy. I'm going to show you here to measure how quickly this works. I already have about 10 centimeters, and it's only been 8 chain stitches. So it's already more centimeters than stitches, and so you can see how fast this is gonna go. Yeah, and then when I have about the length that I think, I'm just gonna measure and see. Yeah. Alright, so here we are with about 150 centimeters of chain stitches. As you can see, it's just super nice and colorful. I love what it looks like already. And I'm going to go and start going backwards. I'm going to skip the first two, and then I go into the third one and make a half double crochet. And then into the next one, half double crochet. And then again, half double crochet, here again, half double crochet. And as you can see, it's really nice and big already. It's very nice and thick. We're getting a nice height here. And I'm going to do this all the way back to where we started. Yeah. Alright, so here we are, and I've already crocheted in half double crochets all the way back to the beginning. And then I added 2 chain stitches here again for height. I'm going to turn it all around, and I'm going to go kind of into the back part of the stitch. And this is where, you know, the V structure is on top, and that's not where I'm going to go in. But here, into this like middle horizontal thread. So I'm going to show you here. So this is what I'm going into. I'm going to get the thread, and we do half double crochets here. It's really easy to find them if you just kind of go like upwards in an upwards motion with your crocheting hook, and then it should be the first bigger thing that you're kind of grabbing onto, that it's kind of like slipping underneath. And that's exactly where I'm going to add the half double crochets. Here's kind of another smaller one, but it's much harder to get into. It's much tighter. The other one that we are trying to get is much easier to just like slip into. And that's where we're going to put the half double crochets. I've already done another 4 here actually. On the back side we have, yeah, this pattern with these like little V's. It kind of looks almost like knitted on the right side. And that's exactly what we're going to do here while we continue. And then, yeah, we just go all the way back again. And then we're creating this ridge all the way back. And soon when I'm back on the other side, where we started this other row that we were just doing, I'll see you then. Alright, so I'm back at the other end after this next row, and I have this really lovely pattern here, this nice structure all the way back to, the beginning, the other side of the beginning, whatever you want to call it. And this is the side that I actually crocheted on just now. I'm going to add 2 double crochets here, 2 chain stitches here for height, and then I'm going to go and continue all the way back in the exact same pattern. So here we have the back side of what we were just doing, so we're just on the other side. And then obviously we will now make or create this pattern also on the other side. Alright, and here we have the pattern, and then on the back side we have mirrored the same pattern. And we're gonna just continue doing this all the way back again. And then also to the end of the ball of yarn. Always switching off between the sides. And then, because of this, we always get then the pattern on the other side. Alright guys, so here's my update again for you. Here we have another 2 rows in this pattern. So we have this ridge here now in the front, and here it is on the back, mirrored. And we don't have that much wool left here actually. This should be my last row, and it's not going to be in half double crochets, but I'm just doing very simple slip stitches. And we're creating this pattern here again. This is kind of also to the front, and this is a nice hack kind of to finish off the scarf really nicely. So I'm just going to do this now. So I'm always going into the same thread here that we were using before, but now I am doing slip stitches and not half double crochets anymore. And so now we're creating this same pattern here, and this is what it looks like on the opposite side. Alright, when we're done with this row, we will cut the thread and we will pull it through and pull it kind of tight. And with that, we're done with the scarf. It's kind of thin, but it's pretty long, so you can just wrap it around your neck a few times. It's really nice and cozy and has these beautiful bright colors. And a nice volume, I think. So if you like, you can see these ridges here. And just, I think it's a really nice structure. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and hide the beginning and the end thread. And they're actually, in this case, on the same side. And then the scarf is done. I really hope that you guys liked watching this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And then hopefully I will see you next time here at DIY Ideas. Bye!